Hello everybody, Miss Guerra here. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Just wanted to take a few minutes and go over what's the difference between Class Connects and Reteach groups. And sometimes your teachers will also have small groups. Every teacher calls the Reteach groups a little bit of something different. Your Class Connects are the same. So I want to go over those with you real quick. Now your Class Connects are mandatory. They're required to be attended. And this is where you're going to see some school announcements, class announcements. You'll go over content, very important. And some of your teachers have actual assignments in those Class Connects. You will need to complete those. And if you cannot do that, you need to watch the recordings and review the notes. All of your teachers will have those posted in their classroom. They will be posted in, every teacher posts them in different locations, so it's a matter of learning the teacher's organization. So make sure and ask questions of your teacher if you don't know where to find them, those kind of things. But make sure and attend those Class Connects. They are mandatory and they take precedence over any small groups or Reteach. Now then, Reteach groups, some teachers call them Reteach, some teachers call them small groups. Some teachers have Reteach and small groups separate. They name them different. It all depends upon what you're studying. Every discipline, meaning English, history, math, they're all different, and so they require some different approaches to them. So now they are required to attend if you show up on that list, if that shows up on your schedule. But if you have another Class Connect at the same time, email your teacher of the Class Connect and your teacher who's assigning that Reteach to you and let them know that you have a conflicting class. Your Class Connect will come first. You always attend that. Let your teacher know, but that you won't be able to attend, but then request a recording so that you can watch that. You can see what is the teacher wanting to go over that they're saying you're missing, trying to help you improve some of those concepts. So that's the difference. Make sure and respect all of those. Attend all your schedules, but Class Connects have mandatory. But you also need to communicate and let us know if you are going to have to miss it. And so you need to get caught up and watch the recordings. Don't miss the content. Don't take it for granted. We're not making you do stuff that, just to do stuff. So if you have any questions, please email your teachers or your advisor. Let them know. I appreciate your time, and you have a lovely day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.